easy go.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Almighty Ken back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I'm finally back. What I'm just gonna be going over in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I was able to catch 800 pips on gold in probably about 20-day time frame. I think in the video I said 28 days. I actually went back and looked. It was not 28 days. It was about 20 days, I believe, 19 days. But whatever case may be, I'm about to show y'all how I was able to catch 800 pips on gold. 800 pips on gold. Yes, I am a swing trader, so I held this trade that long. I was able to catch 800 pips within this. If you were in my free Telegram chat to go ahead and catch signals, you would have caught this too. So go ahead and hit that link in my bio and you're able to get free signals. But without further ado, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we're about to go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, family. I just want to go ahead and show you how I was able to catch this gold trade this month. So if you're on this YouTube video right now, just go ahead and take a little bit of notes, if you're a beginner trader. So I'm going to show you how I was able to catch this gold buy. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to identify areas where, I know that gold will reject with previous market structure. So around this area and here at this double bottom. So that's an area where I know it will reject. So next thing I'm going to go ahead and do on this daily time frame. I'm a swing trader, so I operate off the daily time frame and the 4-hour, mostly the daily time frame. So I'm just going to guard this trend line. So it's going to take, two lower highs or in a high and a lower high to identify a trend. It's going to take 2 touches to be able to identify a trend line. So cool. So I identified that. And then what I did in between it, so the move was around here. So act like this was not even there. So cool. So, once I did that, I identified another trend where I realized, it was lower highs and lower lows until it was broken. So I'm going to come here within this whole entire trend. So a trend within a trend, and I'm going to be able to catch the buy outside of the downtrend. So cool. So I drew another trend here. So I have 2 touches here. I have a touch here and a touch here where it rejected very, very well. Obviously, we have, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then, lower low, and we got this double bottom. So once we got this double bottom, this is a strong area of support. So obviously it rejected very, very strong back here, and it rejected here as well. So, that's a very, very strong support area. And this is also, that bullish flag pattern, So, obviously all I have to do after this is all I have to do is connect this channel right here. Connect this channel. Let me make it a little bit more. Okay, it's cool. So that's all I have to do. So in order to catch this buy movement all the way back up here, I have to look at this trend line right here, and I have to wait for it to break out. So now that I know that I have, a good support here, and I'm under this line here, I use this line as well as a support. If I'm under it, broke out, I have to retest it. But once we retested it, we got past it. We broke above it. So I'm going to tell you how we were able to catch this entry. So this is our entry. We're going to go for a long position. Our entry was around here. Our entry was here, and we traded it right back. So obviously, we're going to set our take profit at the trend line at the top of the channel, simply because we can't, put a take profit all the way up here because we don't predict the market. We react to the market. So my take profit was around this area, to touch the top of the channel and retest previous market structure back here, test all of these wicks. So this is how we were able to catch this trade. All that I did, I knew that we were going into that uptrend within the daily time frame. All I did was wait for it to break out above this green line and retest the green line. And I didn't have that big of a stop loss. I had about 150 pips of a stop loss. 150 pips of a stop loss. So, stop loss came nowhere near. Our entry was not 1767 though. This was our entry. So cool. I had about a 150 pip stop loss there. So cool. So how I was able to catch this trade? Now once we go ahead and identify that they broke out and retested, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a valid reversal candle. I'm going to find a valid reversal candle. So right here we're going to have this, this bullish wick right here. We have this bullish wick showing that we're about to reverse. That we're about to reverse and go the other way. So cool. So once we got this down candle, I waited for a perfect entry. So now we can test these previous wicks over here. And I realized that they retested very, very strong there. So I took the entry off of this candlestick. Took the entry off of this candlestick, off of this bullish pin bar here, entered off of the next candle. So now once I got into the trade, now we went in some drawdown, but then we were able to catch over 800 pips. Over 800 pips, and I was able to catch this within a month. I held this trade for about 28 days. I held it for 28 days and I was able to catch over 800 pips. You know, if you do the math, you're gonna make a minimum of $80. You're gonna make a minimum of $80 on a 1 cent lot size. So that's a very, very valid trade, you know, just with technical analysis. You know, it's not very, very hard, it's not rocket science. So, you know, I just wanted to show how I was able to catch that trade. You know, that gold move was very, very vicious. So 800 pips, that's not bad. And, you know, in a whole entire month, you know, of holding that trade and, you know, with a swing position, that's not bad at all, 800 pips. So, you know, so that's pretty much how I caught that move. I hope y'all, you know, got some knowledge from that. I hope everybody got knowledge from that video that I just recorded with that gold move. I'm gonna try to, you know, upload a lot more videos like that. I'm pretty much definitely gonna be on the schedule. I'm trying to upload about 3-4 videos every single week that I can get out to you guys, so you guys can, you know, have something to watch. You know, if you want to train yourself, I'm gonna drop videos like training, you know, just my everyday life. You know, things that I'm just doing, you know, day in the life of a forex trader. You know, I do this full time. I've been trading for about 21 months, so I definitely know what I'm talking about within this video. So, you know, if you haven't watched previous videos, if you're new to the channel, things like that, if you haven't watched previous videos, I have already dropped trainings on here, so you can go back and watch those. You know, I drop basics. You know, so make sure you go into my bio. You know, if you have any, you know, ideas that you want me to go ahead and record and upload, go ahead and just hit me up on Instagram. It's gonna be in my bio. Go ahead and hit me up and, you know, let me know what kind of videos you want to see, or, you know, what type of trainings, anything like that, anything that I can teach, you know, because I'm here to help everybody, you know, actually also, you know, become better traders, you know, because at some point I wanted help, you know, so with the knowledge that I have, you know, I'm willing to give back to other people. So, you know, if you have any ideas that you want me to go ahead and record and upload, just send them to my IG. You know, I get those videos uploaded for y'all, so y'all can have something to watch, and that is going to help y'all become better traders as well. But also, if you're not in the free Telegram chat, free signals every single week, you're going to be able to get free signals from me. So if you want to see how I trade, you know, see how accurate I am trading, just go ahead and join that free Telegram chat. It's going to be in the bio, so just go ahead and join it. But don't forget to go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, because it's completely free. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any video that I'm going to go ahead and upload. So again, I appreciate everybody for, you know, go ahead and watching this video. I hope you got some type of, you know, education from it. I'll see everybody in the next video.